Hey queens and kings, so here are most of the items that I'm going to use to make the wreath. And most of the items did come from the Dollar Tree, like these red roses here. I think I have 5 bunches. I have hot glue, which came from Walmart, and I'm using the Gorilla Glue sticks. Then I have one of my little knife. And then I have some pearls here that I did have for a while now, which you also could find them on Amazon. So I decided to use those instead of bling wrap. I have this dry foam, which is in a circle. Then I have 2 of these dry foam blocks here that comes with 4 in a pack that is already pre-cut. I have 2 because I'm not sure how many I'm going to actually need. And then I have these wooden craft sticks here that you guys see. And then I have my hot glue gun that I also got from Walmart. And then I have some little broke off little shish kebab sticks, you would call them, or whatever, because I'm not sure if I'm going to use those or the craft stick to actually bond this together, but we'll see once it all complete. So let's go ahead and get started with this cute adorable wreath. I done took the square styrofoams out of the package, and the first thing we're going to try to form an X. Oh, I forgot to mention scissors for the pearls. So all I'm going to do is just cut one end and I'm going to wrap it around. Some areas is still damp, wet, as you can see, but I use this paint here that is from Walmart, the Craft Smart, and I use a little paintbrush and I just squeezed it on there and just went on around. Some areas I dab, as you can see, where it's rough at, but that's not. Queens and Kings. So here's the O. It is all done. I do have some areas that I still see like the greenery because the paint did come off when I like moved the beads out the way if I lift them up and try to put them in another direction. But I'm not too worried about that. But the background of it, you really can tell. You really can't tell since that I put the white paint on there, which does help a whole lot to cover up some of the spots and stuff that you will see if I just continue with like the green behind it, you know. So but what I'm going to do now is take some of these jewels here because I want it to sparkle just a little bit more, a little tad, a little bit more, and I'm just going to round and place these. These have these little pin sticks. I did use these once before, but you can purchase these out of probably Michael in a craft store, even on Amazon as well. So I'm just going to stick it in like definitely right here with this green at, so we can cover that up some. Here is the finished X, our gorgeous rose X, and I want to tell you guys what I did off camera. You guys see that I did have the edges around here that the phone was still showing. Basically I had ran out of roses, so I had to improvise, and what I did was I just took a rose apart and I used the petals and I cut the petals down and I basically just glued them around the edges just to cover up the phone and everything like that. So therefore I didn't have to go run out and buy more roses. So it does look like the look that I was going for was basically taking the rose and put roses all the way around, but I ran out. And then I also went ahead and glued my ribbon onto the back of it. And that's all I did, just glued it on there like that. It just tied a little original bow. That's about it. So let's continue and move on. You guys seen that I had already put some diamonds and everything on the O, and this is how it looked before we get ready to connect it. I'm going to also put some onto the X as well, the ones that I do have left. Okay, so now that we have done that, and basically I just put them in an X as well. Now we're going to go ahead and connect these two. So gorgeous, right? Gorgeous. So I'm basically going to find a perfect spot for to connect it. I think I'm going to use this here. I'm going to use these 3 little shish kebab sticks, or toothpicks, or whatever you want to call them. I don't forgot the actual proper name for it, but I think that's what they actually call shish kebab sticks. And I'm just going to stick them through probably the bottom of here or the top here. Okay, queens and kings, so here's the finished look of our gorgeous XO wreath here. I totally love how this turned out. It was so affordable for one, and then it is so glamorous for two. Like, look how gorgeous those pearls and those diamonds look together, and by we putting that white paint behind there, it actually made it pops even more. And then you have the diamonds inside the roses there. Then we have our little sparkle ribbon that is hanging up from. Like, what more can you ask for? But I totally enjoyed making this video for you guys. If you all enjoyed it as well, please go ahead and rate, comment, and subscribe to the castle, because you never know what will be next. Maybe I'll do some more videos like this for you guys. Not sure it's going to be a DIY decorate with me or a styling video, but if you queens and kings enjoy it, just give me a thumbs up or leave a comment down below, and I will do some more for you guys. But this can be a versatile look as well. You can change the color of the roses, and you can use it for a regular home decor piece. So, but yeah, so I hope you queens and kings enjoyed the video, and I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye bye.